Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to create an AI avatar host for YouTube using HeyGen. So if you want a presenter style video without recording yourself on camera, just follow along. First, open HeyGen and create an account. Next, go to the avatar creator section. Here you can choose an existing AI avatar or create a custom avatar depending on your needs. And after selecting your avatar, you can add your script or upload your video narration. HeyGen will then generate a video where the AI avatar speaks your content. Next, customize things like your voice, language, background, and presentation style. You can create different styles depending on your channel, such as educational, professional, or casual videos. After generating the video, review the result and make any changes if necessary. And once you're happy with it, export the video and use it for your YouTube content. AI avatars are useful for tutorials, presentations, and explainer videos. So that was how to create an AI avatar host for YouTube using HeyGen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.